Fabien was my customer for ATV. He's honest and a good customer and good at communication. Since I started my own business, he gave me a lot of encouragement and gave me a good idea from customer view. This is what I need, and I enjoy the great benefit. From him, I also learn be more positive and more activity both for the life and work. Content fair is the most important expedition in the world. It is the best way to find and search suppliers or partners for export and import business. To make sure find the good and reliable suppliers or partner, visiting factory or supplier after content fair, it is very important. It is the best effective way to reduce time, to save time and reduce the risk and avoid detours. Yes, so come to China to know the real China, and welcome to China.